All right, I'm gonna show you a difference. New water pump, old water pump. New water pump. Won't spin free. Old water pump. And you can hear when I'm spinning it, hear the bearings. This means the bearings are about shot. It was still working, but since I had to get in there and replace a bunch of crap and I was already in there anyway, this thing probably has never been changed, but you can see, hear the play in it. None in this one. Tight. Here's the difference. This one will actually move in and out. I don't think it was leaking yet, but it may have been dripping a little bit. I noticed a little bit of coolant leaving my system, but that's the difference. This is actually a Ford water pump. I didn't know that. But anyway, just, if you're going to be in there doing some work and your car's got a lot of miles on it, might want to think about changing your water pump, your belts, stuff like that, since you're already going to be in there, because if you're paying somebody, it's better to go ahead and get all that stuff done, pay one lump sum, have them do it, get it done over with, than have to keep going back. So if they're going to be in there that deep, or you're going to be in there that deep into your engine, go ahead and take care of that stuff, because these things are only good for so long, and the seals will start leaking, and then you got this drip hole, and eventually you'll get a little bit of fluid that'll drip out from time to time because it's just leaking by the seal. And plus the bearings do go bad. You can hear this one. That's what that honing sound, that's the bearing. So anyway, just a heads up, like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Hope you enjoyed the video.